All right, let's get right into it. I'm going to show you one simple little sentence that can completely change your AI text. From totally robotic to something that actually sounds, human. Ready?
Okay, let me ask you something. Have you ever used an AI tool to write something, and you get it back and you're just like, okay, yeah, this is correct, but wow, it has zero personality, right? If that's you, you are not alone. This is a huge frustration for so many people.
Yeah, let's just call it what it is. It's the robot writer problem. You know what I'm talking about? It's when that AI spits out something that's just bland. It's generic. There's just no human touch in it whatsoever.
You know exactly what this feels like. The text is just stuffed with all this corporate jargon, these empty phrases that don't mean anything. It feels so stiff, so dated, like it's trying way too hard to sound professional, but it just ends up sounding like nothing.
Or maybe even worse, it just has no spark, no originality, no real perspective. It feels like it's just repeating information it found somewhere else, completely without a soul. And that is the exact problem we are going to fix right now.
So the big question is, how do we fix this? And here's the good news. It's not about learning to write these super long, complicated prompts. Nope. It's all about giving the AI better directions with just one powerful sentence. You want to see it? Okay, here it is. This is the magic sentence. Look at the words we're using here. Words like care, emotion, empathy, voice, and flow. See what's happening? You're not just asking for a list of facts anymore. You're asking for a feeling. You're basically telling the AI, hey, connect with a real person on the other end of this screen. All right, talk is cheap, I get it. So let's see the proof. I'm going to show you what this one little sentence can actually do. We're going to look at a straight up before and after. So, to set this up, the topic we gave the AI was super simple. Just consistency is important for creators. It's a topic we've all heard 1,000 times, right? Pretty straightforward. And this is what the AI gave back. The default output. It's fine, I guess. It's not wrong. But man, is it boring. So forgettable. It sounds like something straight out of a textbook.
Okay, now look at this. This is where it gets good. On the left, you've got that generic junk. But on the right, that's the result after we added our magic prompt. The second one, wow, it has urgency, right? It has a strong voice, a real point of view. It actually grabs you.
You can just feel the difference, can't you? The first one just gives you information. The second one actually makes an impact. It gives you that little gut punch that, oh, right, that's why this matters feeling.
And here's the key thing to remember. The core idea is exactly the same. It's still about consistency, but the delivery, totally different. It went from being just some bland piece of info to, well, a pretty compelling warning.
So you might be wondering, what's the secret sauce? Why does this one little instruction work so well? Let's break down the logic behind it. Okay, it really boils down to 3 things. First, you're telling the AI to stop playing it so safe. You're giving it permission to take a stand. Second, you're giving it a very clear target to aim for. Write like a human. Use emotion. Use empathy. And third, you're forcing it to think about tone, perspective, and rhythm. The stuff that actually creates a real voice.
I love this way of putting it. It really turns here's some info into here's why this hits. It's a complete mindset shift. You're not asking for a fact machine anymore. You're asking for a storyteller. You're asking it to explain why anyone should even care.
All right, so you've seen the problem, you've seen the fix, and you've seen the proof that it works. Now for the most important part, making it your own. Let's get you ready to actually do this.
And seriously, it is this easy. Step 1, go find your last AI draft. The one that felt a little meh. Step 2, just add that prompt to the end of it. And 3, see what happens. The best way to believe this is to just try it for yourself.
I'm willing to bet that the new version is going to be like 10 times better. It'll have more personality, more punch, and honestly, it's just going to sound a whole lot more like you.
So, there you have it. A super simple tool you can use to start humanizing your AI writing like right now. The only question left is, are you ready to finally sound more like you?